Hi everyone, I'm Navin here. Welcome back to our channel, The Honda Guys. We are all about Hondas. In this special episode, we're going to talk about the common issue that every driver has: car maintenance. Most of the time, we know how to drive the car and remember our service deadline. But do we know how to do some basic maintenance? And today, thank you Honda Banling Motors Seremban, our location sponsor for this week's video. We are going to show you some basic maintenance that you can do yourself on your car. With me here today is Vijay, one of the experienced service advisor in Banling Motors Seremban. And he's going to explain to you guys 4 basic maintenance that you can do yourself at your own convenience. Over to you, Vijay.
Thank you, Mr. Navin. Hi everyone, I'm Vijay here. Normally we use our car as a daily transportation method, and one of the most important part in a car is the battery. Not long ago, some of us is working from home due to MCO, and some people don't even use their car for a certain period. Thus, it will cause the power of the battery to be depleted and causing a failure to start the car. To prevent this from happening to you, if you know that you won't be using your car for a certain period of time, let's say around 1 or 2 months, you can unplug the battery connector from the car. Yes, even though the car is not moving, it still will consume the battery power from its ECU and certain electronic component inside the car. And if the battery has no power, you can still charge the battery by using a car battery charger like this. Just connect the charger to its dedicated terminal by their respective colors, red to red, black to black. Turn the charger and wait for a while, for around 5 to 10 seconds, so that the battery has at least the minimum power to start. When your car is able to start, unplug the charger and keep the engine running so that the battery is able to recharge itself. Or you can even drive your car around your neighborhood for at least 60 km per hour speed to charge the battery. Most of the car in Malaysia comes with a spare tire, just in case of a flat tire, so that you can use the spare tire temporarily during the emergency. To change the tire, what you need to do is open your car boot and locate the spare tire underneath the compartment cover like this. For a certain SUV like Honda BRV, the spare tire is located underneath the car chassis. Put the car jack under the car and lift it off by rotating this lever here. Please make sure the environment is safe for you to change the tire. There are normally around 4 to 5 nuts that hold the wheel with a knuckle. Loosen the wheel nut by rotating it anti-clockwise and give it a bit of force to take out of the wheel from the knuckle. Make sure the spare tire is in good condition and do a routine check on the spare tire. Please do note that this spare tire have a speed limit of around 80 km per hour, so make sure you drive safely. Put the spare tire into the knuckle and tighten the wheel nut by rotating it clockwise. There you go, we are done changing the tire. Also, if there is any leakage or puncture, you can always use our Honda Instant Tire Repair Kit. Let me show you how to use this. Firstly, you need to shake the can up and down for 15 seconds, like this. Once done, you need to insert the nozzle into the tire nozzle like this. Okay, once it's fully inserted, you need to press the top button for 60 to 75 seconds in order for the foam inside to enter the tire. The engine oil is the most crucial liquid in every car engine. Without enough engine oil, it will cause a hard friction to the engine wall and can damage the piston. To check whether your car have enough engine oil level, first you need to follow this step. Open the front bonnet by pulling this lever and unhook the lock by pulling this lever. Locate the engine oil dipstick and pull the lever to check the engine oil level. There is an indicator on the dipstick for you to check the engine oil level. Use a dry cloth to wipe the tip of the dipstick and put into the engine to check the oil level. If the oil level is below the indicator, top up the engine oil a little bit into the engine and check again. Please also check the oil seal and gasket that may cause the engine oil to decrease. If you notice there is a damage to these two parts, bring your Honda car to us, Ban Lee Heng Service Center. We will check for you. Just leave the rest to us. The radiator may look like something that is not really important in a car, but it also plays an important role. The radiator makes sure the engine runs in its optimum temperature and also to cool the engine down. There is a case where the temperature of a car becomes too hot and the engine will shut down by itself. It is very easy for the radiator actually. You just need to fill the radiator with the suitable liquid. In this case, we are using the Honda genuine coolant that is suitable for every Honda car. In case of emergency, you can also use the tap water, but this is only for a short-term usage. Just to get your car to the service center to get it repaired. This is because the tap water tends to make the inner part of the radiator rust when it's inside the radiator for some time. To prevent it from rusting, make sure after you arrive to your destination, flush out the water inside the radiator and replace it with suitable coolant. There you go, 4 basic tips that you can use for a general car checking. You can just do this yourself or your own convenience. As a reminder, since the interstate travel ban has been lifted, please make sure that your car is in good condition and stay safe while traveling. And if you are still not confident in doing all this yourself, you are always welcome to bring your car to our service center located in Seremban and Melaka. Our location is available in the description below. If you are doing it yourself, you can also get the items that we mentioned just now on our Lazada and Shopee stores. The instant tire repair kit, engine oil, coolant, wheel lock nut, all these items are guaranteed genuine. On our stores, you can get items ranging from accessories, oil, lubricants, merchandise, and even get your Rotex and insurance renewed. You can visit our store by clicking the link in the description below. That's all for today guys. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Leave a comment below if you want us to share more car tips in the future. Let us know what you want us to talk about. I'm Vijay and my friend earlier Navin signing off from this week's episode. We are the Honda guys. We are all about Honda. Bye.